Minalas ka ba ngayong 2016 or you felt you had an unfortunate year? Then this episode is for you. Hi, my name is Veldon Lim and you are watching Relationship. Shift your relationships, change your life. Minalas ka ba ngayong 2016 o feeling mo pangit yung taon mo? Let me share to you this story. One day there was this old man living in a small village in a small house. And in that small house, meron siyang maliit na kwadra at meron siyang nag-iisang prized possession. This man is a poor man, pero ang nag-iisa niyang prized possession is yung kanyang makisig na kabayo. But unfortunately, one day yung kanyang kabayo biglang nagtatakbo, papalayo, pumunta sa kabundukan. At hindi na nagpakita. Nung nalaman ito ng mga kapitbahay nung matanda, sabi ng mga kapitbahay niya, your horse left. Bad luck. Bad luck. But the old man just smiled and said, good luck. Bad luck. No one knows, only God. A few days after, nagulat siya. Nung from afar, natanaw niya yung kanyang kabayo, tumatakbo pabalik, may kasamang 6 pang kabayo. Bumalik sa kanyang bahay, not just 1 horse, but 7 horses. And when the neighbors knew about this, the neighbors told him, oh, good luck, good luck. But the old man just smiled and said, good luck, bad luck. No one knows, only God. A few days after, nung yung kanyang uniko iho, nag-iisang lalaking anak sumakay sa kabayo. And habang siya'y naglalaro, nakasakay sa kabayo, the horse heard a gunshot, boom! At nagulat yung kabayo, gumanon, nalaglag yung kanyang anak at nabalian ng legs, ng binte, ng hips. And nung nalaman ito ng mga kapitbahay niya, oh, bad luck, they said. But the old man just smiled and said, good luck, bad luck, no one knows, only God. 1 month after, yung kabilang kaharian nag-wage ng war against their kingdom. And so the king called on his general at sabi niya, you need to find civilians, able-bodied men, mga malalakas pa para sumali sa army natin, gegirahin natin yung kabilang kaharian. And so the general went to the town, nagbahay-bahay isa-isa, and the general went to the house of the old man. Pagkatok niya, binuksan ng pinto at tinanong yung old man, is there any guy in this house na pwedeng maging sundalo at part ng army natin? Sabi ng old man, I can be part of the army. But the general said, no, sorry sir, you are too old to be part of the army. Do you have any younger guy in this place? At itinuro nitong old man yung kanyang anak. Tinuro niya sa kama at nakita ng general, bali ang legs, bali ang hips. And so the general said, sorry, he's excused. He's excused. Kasi hindi siya pwede, hindi siya makakagera. Kailangan natin ng able-bodied men. Nung nalaman ng mga kapitbahay na yung kanyang anak ay na-exempt, samantalang yung mga anak nila pinadala sa gera, the neighbor said, good luck, good luck. But the old man said, once again, good luck, bad luck, no one knows, only God. My dear friend, kamusta yung 2016 mo? Siguro maraming mga nangyari, unfortunate events in your life. You had a tough year, maraming problema. Maybe you had a problem in your finances. Maybe your relationships broke down. Your family had a problem. Maybe iniwan ka ng taong mahal mo. Maybe you had sickness. You had a problem with your health. Maybe you had an unfortunate 2016. Minsan hindi natin naiintindihan kung ano nangyayari. But this is my message for you. Good luck. Bad luck. No one knows, only God. The good news is this. Maaring hindi mo naiintindihan kung ano nangyayari sa'yo. But one thing is for sure. We have a good God. And our God, the Father in heaven, desires nothing but the best for us. He knows what's best for us. So kahit na hindi pa natin naiintindihan kung ano yung nangyayari sa atin ngayon, alam natin yung Diyos sa taas, ang ating Ama sa langit, alam niya kung ano nangyayari sa atin. And this 2017, as we end this year, 2016, kalimutan mo na yung mga bad luck mo, unfortunate events, because one day you will realize that it will be meant for your good. This 2017, I believe better things are coming your way. Why? Because we have a good God. Again, this is Veldon Lim, and you are watching Relationship. Shift your relationships, change your life. Surrender to the Lord this 2017, and you will have a blast. Better things are coming. God bless you.